How to enable auto translation on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, tap on the settings and privacy option you see there and further tap on the language option under the content and display tab. You will then see the option for Always Translate Posts under the Translations tab. So go ahead and toggle on the Always Translate Post toggle button, and with this, posts will be translated into your translation language when possible. This includes post descriptions, photo titles, video captions, and text in videos. And if you want to change your translation language, then tap on the translation into option you see there and then select the language that you want translation in. So, this is how you can enable or turn on auto translation on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.